Yo, Electro Drive News fam, get ready because we've got a packed show for you today, kicking off with some massive news from the electric vehicle giant Tesla. Their grip on the US market is shifting in a big way, hitting a new low not seen since 2017. What does this mean for the future of EVs and for Tesla itself? We're diving deep. Then we're switching gears completely to talk about a true rock legend. Tesla's own founding guitarist, Frank Hannon, is dropping some serious heat with his new track, Plank Spankin. Forget the stadium tour, this is raw, field-recorded fire, and it's giving us a taste of his upcoming album, Reflections. You won't believe how he captured this sound. But wait, there's more. We're also tracking the financial titans. Keep your eyes on Astera Labs, Nvidia, Palantir, and Robinhood, because these tech giants are making some serious moves in the market. Plus, we've got the latest on Tesla's valuation and stock performance, as analysts weigh in on what's next. And that's just the start. We've got all the juicy details on these stories and more. So, if you love electric vehicles, cutting-edge tech, and incredible music, you need to be subscribed. Hit that like button, ring the notification bell, and join the Electro Drive News community right now. Tesla's US EV market share has plunged below 40% for the first time since 2017, signaling a major shift in the electric vehicle landscape. This drop to 38% in August, as reported by Reuters, highlights the growing competition and the release of more affordable alternatives from other manufacturers. While Tesla has faced delays in new model releases and focused on projects like Robotaxi, competitors like BYD are gaining significant traction, not just in the US, but also in Europe. This changing market dynamic comes at a critical time for Tesla, even as CEO Elon Musk's compensation package and influence remain a central focus for the company. The situation is forcing Tesla to confront difficult choices between aggressive price cuts that hurt profits or maintaining margins at the cost of market share. The impact is felt across the industry, with legacy automakers leveraging incentives to boost their EV sales significantly. For consumers like Tapajoy Biswas in the Bay Area, the deals offered by competitors, such as Volkswagen's attractive lease on the ID.4, are proving irresistible, illustrating the intense competition at the dealer level. Will Tesla be able to reclaim its dominance, or is this a permanent shift? Stay tuned for our deep dive. Next, we're heading from the road to the recording studio with a rock guitar legend. Get ready for some raw, authentic guitar magic from a true rock icon. Tesla's founding guitarist, Frank Hannon, is set to release his new album, Reflections, on September 12th, and he's giving us a sneak peek with his electrifying new single, Plank Spankin. This isn't your typical polished studio track. Hannon recorded it live in a field near his Northern California home, capturing the pure essence of rockabilly guitar in a single, unedited take. He's using a Gretsch Electromatic guitar, a Fender Deluxe reverb amp, and even his cell phone with the Audigo wireless mic, an app to lay down this high-spirited instrumental. Hannon explains that Plank Spankin is British slang for a guitar player, a nickname given to him years ago by Rick Allen of Def Leppard. The inspiration comes from guitar heroes like Brian Setzer and the legendary local musician Charlie Beatty. This track and the entire Reflections album promises a more intimate, Western-tinged sound, reflecting Hannon's connection to the land and a season of personal change. It's a return to performance-driven production, capturing inspired takes fast without getting lost in complex studio setups. He'll be hitting the stage soon with performances in New York and Jackson Hole to support the release. This intimate recording process is a masterclass in capturing authentic sound. Coming up, we'll break down how the stock market is reacting to these big tech names. The financial markets are buzzing, and several key tech stocks are making major headlines. We're seeing significant movement from Astera Labs, Nvidia, Palantir, and Robinhood. These companies are capturing investor attention, driving conversations about innovation and future growth in the tech sector. While the Nasdaq Composite reached a new all-time high, these specific stocks are standing out as big movers, influencing the broader market trends. Analysts are closely watching their performance, especially with upcoming events like Apple's iPhone launch and crucial inflation data that could impact the entire market. The spotlight is intense as investors try to decipher the next big opportunities and potential risks in this dynamic landscape. These market shifts are creating a lot of buzz, but what does it mean for the average investor? Get ready for a surprise twist as we look at another major player in the EV world. Tesla's market share in the U.S. electric vehicle sector has reportedly dipped below 40% for the first time since 2017, a significant milestone according to data from Cox Automotive and reports from Reuters. This decline to 38% in August signals a tightening competitive landscape, with rival automakers increasingly offering attractive alternatives and leveraging incentives. While Tesla has been focusing on future technologies like robotaxis and humanoid robots, potentially delaying more affordable EV models, other manufacturers are capitalizing on the demand. This trend isn't isolated to the US. Tesla has also seen softer sales in Europe, where competitors like BYD are gaining ground. The situation puts Tesla in a challenging position, balancing the need to maintain profitability with the pressure to increase sales volume in a fiercely competitive market. Analysts like Stephanie Valdez-Streety from Cox note that a lack of new mainstream products impacts market share, especially as competitors roll out compelling new EVs. This comes as Tesla's board has proposed a massive compensation package for CEO Elon Musk, tied to ambitious future valuation targets, highlighting the company's strategic bets. With rivals outperforming and incentives driving sales, the EV race is heating up. But first, let's get a quick update on some of the biggest movers in the tech stock world. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We covered Tesla's shrinking U.S. market share, Frank Hannon's raw rock single, Plank Spankin, and the big stock market moves from Astera Labs, Nvidia, Palantir, and Robinhood. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV and tech updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and drop a comment below telling us what you think. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.